young fam. Merry Christmas. Tell them Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Guys, today, young fam, today we're going to be baking the most famous Christmas cake, black cake recipe, the young fam way. I know that we posted this video probably 4 years back, but guys, we have a little rather, what I call it, razzle dazzle to it. You know, a little update. However, it's basically the same, and our recipe is just the best. I have my little helper here. Mommy's helping in the kitchen, Araya. You gonna help mommy?
Yes.
So Araya is here to help me bake the cake as well as hubby. Come, babe. Say hello to young fam.
Hello.
Yes. So we have 2 helpers. So come along with us, guys. We're gonna bake our Christmas cake.
Let's get that Christmas cake going, alright?
Alright. So over here, guys, we have our Christmas cake recipe. This is all that you will need to make the best Christmas cake of them all. From this, we're going to use 8 eggs. We need 8 eggs, 2 cups butter. We're going to use 1 cup chopped crackers blended, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of mixed spice. We're going to be using 2 cups of mixed fruits, as well as nutmeg and cinnamon extract and vanilla extract, or browning, of course. And I think that's about it. Our fruits has been soaking now for a very long time. Let me open it and smell it. Alright, can you break the 8 eggs for mommy, please?
Yes.
When you break it, put the shell right here, okay? So break it, and mommy's gonna remove the eyes of the eggs. You can do it. Ooh, good job, Ariel. So you put this over here now, mama. Let mommy remove the eye of the egg. This is what they call the eye, mama. You see the white part? You take it out. Right, now we have the 8 eggs. You can whip gentle, right? Just a little gentle.
And do it.
Alright. Good girl.
So guys, we all know the first thing that we have to do is to cream our butter and our sugar. So I took out, this is a big cream. No, I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean by cream, okay? It's not ice cream. It's mixing them together. So I have this big chiffon butter, and I'm just gonna use half. If you have the smaller one, you just will use the entire thing. So I have my half right here. Lots of butter. And I have my 2.5 cups of sugar. And guys, brown sugar. Alright, so I'm gonna add my butter.
Butter going down.
Butter going down in there.
Down.
Yes.
It's going down.
Going down, down, down. And I'm gonna add my sugar. Alright, you want to help me?
Yes.
Come. Throw some sugar.
Some sugar.
Good job. Alright, there you go.
Sugar.
And you know what we do now, alright?
Yes.
We cream or we mix.
We cream.
Yes.
I help you.
So we turn it on. Turn it on. Alright, let's go. Good job. Let me. some persons will cream for like 10 to 15 minutes before actually start adding eggs. Some persons just add their eggs as they actually go along. But cream for at least 10 minutes. Start adding my eggs just a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna add just a little bit, then I'm gonna continue my creaming, okay? Alright, I'm adding now the last set of eggs. And guys, I want you to see how it's becoming fluffy already.
I'm gonna do it again.
Have a look. See?
So guys, now that my helper has cream out the mix, we're going to be adding the other ingredients to this. That's 1 tablespoon right there. 2. Alright, that's all the dry ingredients we have.
How do it?
Right.
How
Bring it over a little bit. Show it up. They show it, seeing it. Cutting and folding. Looks yummy.
looks yummy.
Yes, so this is the flour and the cracker.
It's a big bunch.
As well as the baking powder and the nutmeg. It's empty, so I'm just cutting and folding, guys. So add all my other ingredients. Right, next I'm gonna add the cinnamon extract, 1 tablespoon. Oopsie. Don't have any mix, guys.
That's yummy.
But the nutmeg and the cinnamon, they're basically spices.
Mommy, that looks yummy.
Yes, it does.
It's mixing. But it is a cream.
Next, guys, I went ahead and I blended my fruits. This is a little bit over 2 cups, 2 cups of blended fruits. This is just raisins, but any fruit of your choice, guys, feel free to add it. Right?
Yum. That's yummy cake.
Some persons, sometimes we use currants as
Yummy cake.
Next up, guys, we're gonna be adding the browning
Browning.
for flavor. Never flavor, browning for color. We usually use 3/4 bottles, right, babe? Because we've been doing this a long time. We kind of know when to stop. We don't like our cake too dark.
Why?
No. It's called black cake, but we don't like it too black. We like it chocolate brown.
Yeah. And they taste it again.
So guys, this is what it's looking like. Alright, said she wants to taste it again. We're not going to double dip around here, just one time. Alright, this is too much. Right, taste it and let mommy know how it tastes. Alright, not all of it. How does it taste?
Good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, Leo, come taste it and let the people them know how the aunt tastes. How it is.
Good man, tastes good.
Alright. It tastes good, guys. I taste it and it's really yummy.
It's good.
Alright, so it's good. Alright, so let me clean up the table. What exactly? Yeah, let's clean up the table and throw it in our baking pan. Look at Araya. Alright, put it in the sink. Let mommy wash it. So right now Leah is greasing the tin. This is how we grease our baking tin. Unfortunately, we put them pan unavailable, so we are using these small tin baking tins. You want a piece of thing to rub the butter?
No, man.
Oh, so this Leah did the
So guys, yes, you have to grease it in.
Me would do that. Me would use a piece of paper towel and grease it all the way around. Yeah, ma'am, this over here. So you see how it's perfect, right? One down.
So guys, I always put a water bath in the oven, okay? Maintain the temperature right throughout.
Yeah. Come now. So we can't waste. Let none of this waste.
No man, enough left in there man. Guys, I get everything. Everything.
And so,
Everything in there.
what did you know? But I can't put something in the...
No, make them too full in a later, man. I tell them I got swell up.
Oh, for real.
Yeah. That one, they look too high. Who gets the spoon?
I.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember when we were little, we used to stay up with daddy till way at midnight and we want a little spoon. Oh God, the best part of Christmas, Araya, 2 spoons, you have to leave one for Cairo. So when Cairo comes home, you can get a little spoon too. Really?
But mommy, I see, and which one is my cake?
Hey, you don't get one cake, you get a piece of these cakes, alright?
I want a cake.
Alright, don't worry, you soon get cake. And now for the final one. We're gonna give them what, Leo? Hour and a half?
Yeah.
First time baking in these, so we're gonna check it at 1 hour 15 minutes. Tastes good? Love it? So guys, it's not as black, you know. I don't know why the lighting showing it's this black, but it's indeed darker than what we wanted. But this is the usual color that we usually see in the supermarket, don't you? But it's not as black.
When I got down now, see.
So yes guys, the cake's all finished. They're mixing his concoction, red wine and rum. Base the cake.